Hi there, are you still having trouble using the present perfect tense in English? How about using it in conjunction with the word already? Well, that's what this video is going to look at, so stay with me. Now this is related to still and yet. In the still and yet video we saw how they can be used in the negative forms with the present perfect, like I still haven't finished my work or I haven't finished my work yet. But already is the positive. So for example, I have already finished my work. I have already had lunch today. I have already finished my holidays. What a shame. She has already finished her presentation. They have, or they've, the contraction, they've already done the shopping. I've already done several videos on the present perfect. Okay, so notice the position in the sentence. We say I have already, okay? I already have is not correct, so I have already. Now somebody asked me recently, is it possible to use already in questions? And the answer is yes, you can. So specifically you can use it to show an element of surprise, and I would put it at the end of the sentence in that case. For example, have you finished already? Okay, this is still the present perfect. Okay, we're using already at the end. Have you finished already? Can you put it at the beginning? Yeah, you can. You can say, have you already seen the other videos related to the present perfect? And the answer to that could be not yet, or yes, I have seen them already, or I've seen them already. Okay, so present perfect. We have quite a few different time expressions that we can use with this very versatile tense. Still, yet, for, since, already. Okay. There are a couple more that I'm going to touch on in another video. Those will be until now and so far. But for now, that's enough for this lesson. If you have any more examples of your own that you'd like to share with others, please put them below. If you have any doubts or questions on this subject, also let me know, as well as any suggestion for any future video. And for the moment, I'm going to say, go practice your English. I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.